Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So today I'm gonna be unboxing the Echo Show 5. I recently purchased this for a really nice price of 50 USD. Normally I believe this is around 100 USD, but there was a deal off, so I went ahead and purchased it. What this basically is, it's an Echo, a normal Echo. You can use it with your Alexa. It's an Alexa basically, but it has a screen. I believe Google has one as well. I forgot the name for it, but this is the one that Amazon has made, Echo Show 5. And let's go ahead and check out what this has. So first up in the front screen, we can see that you can see your time, your weather, the date and whatnot. And then there's also some things that you can say. It's just giving you a basic idea of what you can do with it. We have a 5.5 inch screen. Not sure about the resolution. But I'm guessing it's going to be enough. Far field voice control, that is going to be something that allows you to, it basically allows your Echo to listen to your voice from further away. So I've tested this on my Echo Dot that I have, and it's actually pretty nice. You're able to be in another room and it can still hear you. So let's go ahead and check this right here. Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, audio line out, built-in camera shutter. So you can take pictures with this as well. And what else is that? So it can play you songs with lyrics. That's what I can see from there. You can connect it to your cameras. Oh yeah, that's a really nice thing. So I have a camera for this that can connect to your Alexas or any Echoes. And what this enables you to do is basically watch that from the Echo Show. So you're able to, let's say someone's at your front door and you have a Ring connected to this, you're able to check it from your Echo Show. We can also make video calls, which is really nice. It's actually pretty handy. Let's say you're doing something in the kitchen, the living room, maybe you're in your garage and you have one of these, and you're basically able to contact someone really easily with that. So that's about what I can see from the top area, and then there's just the music things that it works with, and it also works with Samsung SmartThings, which is nice. So let's go ahead and check it out. So there's a little pull tab right here, I believe. If I can get it, yep. So you just pull that off. Pretty simple unboxing. Open this, and right away we're greeted with the Echo Show 5. Just pull these flaps up real quick, and it's a pretty big device. Not that big, but it's still pretty big. So it's a nice size. It has a nice size. Let me go ahead and take this plastic wrapper off. Okay, so we have all that off. That was a whole bunch, but whatever. So we have our screen right here, 5.5 inch screen. That's our camera right there, if you can see it, and then we can like turn it off from here. It just puts something over it, which is really nice. We have our volume rocker, if we can focus onto this. Okay, so we have our volume rocker, volume up, volume down, and then I believe that's a mute switch. So that's pretty nice. The speakers on the back. We have some ports right here, micro USB, headphone jack, audio jack, and also the charging port. And then there's like this grippy material on the bottom so it doesn't move. So let's go ahead and see what else is included. We have our Echo Show 5. These are probably some instruction manuals. You probably don't need to read these if you've owned an Echo device before. So let's just put that to the side as well. This one's probably going to be your power brick. Let's check it out. So we have our power brick right here. Pretty simple. I believe this is what I have with my Echo Dot. So let me go ahead and just take this wrapper off. Tons of plastic wrappers on this. Not sure if it's that necessary, but kind of have to rip that. Okay, so that's off, and then we have plastic wrapper. It's a plastic film on this. So let's just take that off as well. And I believe we're done with all the plastic. So it has a proprietary charger. It's kind of nice, but sometimes you might break this charger, and then you might not have something extra for this, which is a bad part about that. But I guess it's okay. You're probably not going to do too much with that charger. It's going to stay in one place anyways. Let me go ahead and put these to the side, and let's just check out the Echo Show again. So I haven't tested it out, so I'm not sure how exactly it is, how good it is, but whatnot. However, I believe I've seen videos about it, and it looks pretty nice. It's a pretty convenient device, and especially if you find it, if for the normal price, I definitely wouldn't get it, because this is not that I don't have too many use cases for this. However, as I said, if you find it up for a deal that's really nice, which I did, I went ahead and purchased it, and sometimes you'll get to using it. It's pretty nice. It's basically a digital clock. You can have your weather, time, and you have your Alexa in there, which is really good. So that's about it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.